Welcome back, guys. And in WhatsApp, if anybody is messaging you and notifications are not showing on the screen, in that case what you need to check, I'm going to discuss in this video. So if you are new to the channel and if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So very first thing, just long press WhatsApp, go to the app info, and from here see notifications are allowed or not. It should be, if it is not allowed, that will not come. So this can also be reached by going to the setting and the apps or manage apps, here apps, and then search for WhatsApp, and then from here you can check. This can be checked by long pressing it here. So this is what the first thing I wanted to tell you. The second thing is, see, the go to the WhatsApp, and here you can go to the, this is the new version. Here you, in older you will find the three dots, tap on there and then go to the notifications, then tap on the three dots and reset notification setting. Just do it, and after that you will see that your notifications are coming. And if you want to your notifications on lock screen, what you need to do, go to the settings, see, search here notifications, lock screen notifications, and now go to the lock screen in Samsung mobile or lock screen notifications in other mobiles, and here you can see that notifications icon only or detail. If you want to see the messages inside messages, what is written messages in detail, then this I will not prefer, icon only. So these three things you need to do, and after that this problem will be solved. This is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the channel, please do consider to subscribe it. That's all. Thank you very much.